Okay. Now everyone, do it at home. Okay. We'll start a new topic called as making equation from the word problem. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Making equation. Now, guys, this is very important. Okay. So making equation from the word problem is very important because this is useful for this chapter also, and this is useful for the next chapter also, which is quadratic equation. Now, if you will pay attention, you will get everything. So this is very important topic. Okay, very very important topic I used to say. And many students are not able to make equation because they don't know the NXT trick. Okay, sir, I'm not able to get the answers. Which answers, beta? Previous equation. Which one, beta? Just now?
Only answer, sir. It's not coming on.
You're not able to get the answer? Okay. Yeah. So we'll do one thing. We'll do that part first.
It's difficult to get the answer. Sometimes it's coming, sometimes it's like very wrong.
Okay, then we'll not start the new topic. Then. We'll do this first. This equation you're not getting, Jeshram? Now, Jeshram, keep your mic on mute and you have to help me. And Ira also. So first we will do the substituting method. Now, what is the rule of substitution method, Jeshram? Yes, Jeshram.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so you have to use first equation to get the answer of second equation. So, for example, the first equation is minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 21. Okay. Now, which variable you want to choose? X or y? Which variable? X or y? So if you're choosing X, so you will take that X to the LHS side and rest all the numbers will go to the right hand side. How? So it is like this. Minus 2x is equals to 21 minus 3y. Like this. Okay. Now x is equals to 21 minus 3y upon minus 2. Like this. Did you understand? Yes or no? Just no. No, didn't understand? It's okay. I will explain it to you again. That plus 3y went to the right hand side. What happened, Jashan? Say it again.
Understood.
You understood? Good. So now what I will do is x value, you will put it into the second equation here. Understood? So what will I write? 3 into 21 minus 3y upon minus 2 minus 4y is equals to 17. Did you understand? Yes or no? No. This is like, yeah, do like it. Otherwise, I will understand it slow. Okay. So Now you will multiply this 3 with the both the sides. So it will become 321 63 minus 9y upon minus 2 minus 4y upon 1 is equals to 17. Did you understand? What I did, I multiplied this 3 with both the numbers because it's in the bracket, Ira. That's why I multiplied it. Understood, Ira? No.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it will become 63 minus 9y upon. Now this minus sign will go in the numerator and denominator will become plus 2 minus 4y upon 1 is equals to 17. What I did, I send this minus sign to the numerator like this. Understood? So, so now this minus sign will multiply with both the numbers. So the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus. It will become 9y minus 63 upon 2 minus 4y upon 1 is equals to 17. Did you understand? Guys, nah, Jason didn't understand anything. Jason, please ask me better. Understood? Okay. So now I have to make the denominator same. Now this denominator is 2. And this denominator is 2 and this denominator is 1. So I have to multiply this both up and down 2 so that I can make the denominator same. So it will become like this. 9y minus 63 upon 2 minus 4y into 2 upon 1 into 2. Why? Because I have to make the denominator same. Did you understand, guys? No. If you didn't understand, ask me better, please. Jason, what happened, Jason? Jason, are you with me? Can you hear me? You're mute. Are you understood?
Understood, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now it will become 9y minus 63 minus 8y, and the denominator will be same like this. Understood?
Mhm.
Now it will become 1y minus 63 upon 2 is equals to 17. This 2 will go and it will multiply. Y minus 63 is equals to 34. And y is equals to uh, 34 plus 63. Y is equals to 97. This is the answer.
Yes. Okay.
This one you got the same answer.
Yes, sir. But that's only when I use the second method. The first time when I use a substitution, this is not the
Hmm.
answer I got. I got some other.
You, so now
Wait,
if you
not
want to
the
find a
other.
value of,
One, two.
yeah, if you if you want to find the value of x, you have to put it into this so that you can get the value of 5. X. Ira, are you with me? No.
Yes, sir.
So what problem you had?
And also I multiplied the 17 earlier and I didn't multiply it properly with the 21, 3 and 21. I
Why?
think I don't, and I got some like I didn't do the plus and minus sign properly.
So you're able to get it, no? I mean, is it like?
I did the correct step, but I just didn't do it like properly. I did the step, but I didn't do the
Oh, okay, okay. Good. Okay,
Sir,
that's all. Yes.
how did you get a minus and multiply that into 63 and minus 95?
Which one, beta? Say it again. Can you say it again, please?
Yeah, in the second column which you wrote,
Yeah.
the first step, how did you get a minus to multiply into
See,
60?
if you will check from the first step, when I will set x, like here, can you see that red mark, please?
Yeah,
So it's minus 2 multiplied by x. No? Now it's in
yeah,
multiplication form. When it will go to the right hand side, become For divide?
Denominator.
Yeah, denominator divide. So now minus sign is in the denominator side. I just send this minus sign to the numerator side so that the denominator can become positive because denominator cannot be negative. So you can simply send this minus sign to the up. Understood? No.
Yeah, sir, I understood.
Then the minus sign will multiply with both the terms inside the bracket because minus sign is in the form of multiplication to that. No.
Yes, sir.
So when I will open the bracket, the minus sign will multiply with both the terms. So the minus 9 will become plus 9 and the plus 63 will become minus 63.
Okay, got
Did
it.
you understand? No.
Got it, sir.
Okay, then it become like that.
Okay. Sir, I have another doubt.
Please.
Like in the elimination method, if the signs of the two variables are different, then we have to add it.
Hmm? Yes.
And like if we have to add it, will we do like changing the signs like we do for subtraction?
Yeah.
So in
Just give me a second. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. You're saying something.
yeah, so when we do addition in the elimination method, then also we have to change the two signs.
When you are doing addition in anything, no. In addition, you will not change, no. If you will change in addition, then they won't be like you can't cut it out, no. That's why give a different sign for it. Okay, we'll do the elimination one also. So you got the x as 97 and sorry x as 135 and y as 97. So Abigail, can you check this? I make a box around the last final answer so that I can highlight it that this is my last answer. So that examiner has not do not has to find where is your last answer, but you mark it and saying that it's my last answer. So Abigail, you have to do it like this also. And if you have more lot of time after completing the paper, if you have lot of time, you can use highlighter also.
Okay.
Okay, but don't do highlighter if you don't have time. Like if you complete it 15 minutes before, and if you have time, enough time, like after revision, if you have enough time, you can highlight it also. But try to make it visible to the examiner because if you will decrease the load of examiners of your by checking your answer sheet, you will get good marks. And
Okay.
prayer is also important.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Now
Yeah.
we'll do the elimination one also. I hope
So
guys these classes are helping for you. Yes.
yes, sir. I got these correct answers when I did elimination, but when I did substitution,
The elimination method, I will do it right now with you. Okay. So Ira, you're struggling with elimination.
Yeah, elimination I'm not getting. Substitution I got.
So now Ira, which variable you want to choose? X or Y?
X.
X. So now check that this is 2 and this is 3. So I have to make the same coefficient. So how can I do that?
Sir, you wrote substituting method. Change it to elimination method.
Oh my God! Sorry. Yeah.
So you have to like
How can I make the like? Don't go on sign. Like minus plus, don't go that thing. Okay. Just try to make the coefficient same. Like above coefficient is 2 and below coefficient is 3. Like x coefficient is 2 and 3 respectively. Then how will you do this?
like you have to only multiply, right? Get to 3.
Yeah, what to multiply? Yeah, that's a correct. Like in the first equation, which number you will multiply?
Get it to 3.
Yes, good. The first equation you will multiply it by 3. And the second equation?
Second equation, 1. So it becomes 3. No, 2.
Yes, good. Second equation you will multiply it by 2 because both the number will become 6, na? The coefficient of x will become 6, na? Understood? No.
Yeah, I thought we had to multiply only 1 and get it.
No. You can multiply as number you want.
Okay.
No, you didn't understand.
No, now I understood. I thought only 1 button, so I was confused.
Okay. Justron, what problem you are facing right now? Ask me, please. No, ask me. Little. Korache. Kunjam.
Sir, one
Yeah.
is minus 6x, the other is 6x.
Yeah. So is the sign is same or different?
Different.
So in different sign, I give you hashtag points. What does this mean? If different sign is there, then we have to add it. We don't have to change the sign. Understood? No. Huh? So if different sign is there, we simply add it. And adding doesn't change the sign. Only subtraction changes the sign. So this plus 6 and this minus 6 will cut like this. And it will become y is equals to 97. It's simple. And then this y is equal to 37. You can put in any equation to get the value of x. Now, any problem, guys? Just on still having any problem, please ask me. No, ask me. It's okay. Korachu.
No problem.
Problem doubt വേണോ?
Yeah, only
ഇല്ല. Okay. So now I hope you got it. So I will give you a homework.
No, sir, don't.
Only 6 questions.
No, sir. 6 question is too much.
Okay, then out of 6, you do only 4. Okay.
No, I'll do
Then
only 1.
what do you want? Huh?
Only 1.
No, only one, then it won't be helpful, yeah, guys. If you are
Sir,
struggling, you have to do it.
Sir,
I'll do 6.
Yeah.
it's already good in math. I need more practice.
Yeah, that's like the spirit. Yes, Ira, you're saying something.
No, Edric is already good in math. I need more practice. He can do one sum and he can do all the sums. I have to do like 20 and then we then I got.
Yeah. That's like the spirit. Practice makes the men and women perfect. So even if we are men or women, we need to do practice. So this is your homework. See, I reduces the homework. This is the fact. Okay. I like in the previous session, I used to give both the things or many homeworks like 10, 11 questions. But I'm reducing for you guys. Penny 5, page number 162. But the catch is you have to do that equation with both the method, elimination method and substitution method. Okay, this is your homework. Abigail, please note this, okay?
Each
So
question
not
has to be done with both methods.
check your progress 5.9. There are 6 questions are there. You can do any 5, and in any 2 you can do with the substitution method, but rest 5 you have to do it with the elimination method. So it's basically 2 equation you can do it with both substitution and elimination, and rest 3 you do it with only elimination. So you have choice. Okay, I reduces that thing only, so that it can be practiced by you. I'm just giving you to give practice. Okay, I don't have intention to what you torture you or torment you. Okay, Edric.
Sir, no, sir. 5 itself is too much, sir.
So, try to do it.
No, 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 no way, no way.
Okay,
You're not a good teacher.
thank you. Okay, so we'll go to the now word problem. I'm raising this. Shall I raise this, guys?
Yes, sir, you can erase it all.
Okay. Now, write word problems in linear equation. Word problems in linear equation. Okay, guys. Okay. Uh, now, now word problems in linear equation, guys. Before jumping into it, we need to know that wherever sum or together add is there, always we have to do plus. Okay, always we have to do plus. If difference or subtracted or left is there, we have to minus it. Okay,
And
we have to do
from
the
also, right, sir?
sorry,
And from also.
yeah, from also. These are the key words to know what you have to do. Okay, okay. Let me check one more keywords. Okay, and if product if product is there or times are there, twice means, yeah, twice means multiplying by 2, thrice means multiply by 3, like that. If it is like this, then you have to multiply. Okay, and if somewhere else is y is there, quotient is there. Okay, or half, yeah, half basically means divided by 2. Okay, like this is there, so you have to divide. And if somewhere it is written like that, is will will be get
That is English. That is English.
uh, and so if something these types of is written, it is means equals to. It means equals to. Understood? These are the some key words that you should know, and then we will find it out how to solve it. Could you write it down?
Done, sir.
Good. So these keywords are very important. Yes, Simeon, you're saying something, please.
I'm done.
Oh, okay. Very good. इस वीक हम आएंगे ना Okay, done. Is this guys?
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Is this guys?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, it's okay. Take time. Yeah, one more thing. If more than is also different, more than, then also it's considered as plus. Some of the words I'm joining, okay? Divided by. Yeah, these things we should know. Can I use this now? Just
Yes.
add more than
Done.
and
Done.
add divided by, okay? Some more keywords are there, which right now I'm not able to like get or get it. But if something will come, then I will write it down in the book. Now, how to solve this? So, Ira, please pay attention. This is very important. Okay, guys. So now this is the question: 4 more than x. So, Ira, can you check that what the meaning of like 4 more than x? So 4 is basically 4, and now what is the meaning of more than, Ira?
Adding.
Adding is putting a plus sign.
Yeah.
More than x. X is x. And what is the meaning of is?
Uh, equal to.
So it means that in is I have to put equal, and this has become 11. So this is basically writing an equation with the help of what problem? Did you understand,
Sir, I
guys?
got the answer. Can I get the answer?
Yes, please.
X is equal to 7.
X is equal to 7. Abigail, did you understand how to form equation with the help of that thing?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, we'll do one more question. Now, guys, make this equation and put it in the chat. Can you do it, Ira? Put it in the chat quickly. Don't say any answer. No, don't put the answer, Simin. I want equation. Answer, I know you can get it. I just want equation. What equation you get? Simeon, are you with me?
Yes, I'm setting.
Yeah, good, Edric. Yeah. Ira, what equation you get, beta?
Y divided by 7 equals 2.
First, perfect. Now you become expert in kindergarten of linear equation making word problem. Now, I'll give you one more equation. Jashan, are you with me? Did you understand, Jashan? Okay, do this. Now here is no x. So Reena has some apples. So I don't know the value of apple. So I will take it as x. Can you do it, guys? Will you try Ira Jashan? No.
Sir, I set the answer.
No, I guess it's not correct. The Simeon, your equation is
Now?
not correct.
Now?
Yeah, Adrix is correct. Adrix is correct. Simeon, your equation is not correct. I guess.
Oh, I put the wrong.
Yeah, yeah. Put it correctly. Abigail, don't write this. I want equation. I don't want answer. I just want equation. Ira is correct. Abigail, are you getting it? No.
Sir, I gave an equation, right?
No, you wrote only numbers. I don't want numbers. I want the equation. No, Simeon, it's not correct still. According to the word problem, the equation is not correct. If I will write, see, some apples. So Abigail's help me, okay? Yeah, Abigail's now it's correct. Simeon, help me. Simeon, help me, please. Okay, now it's Simeon is also correct. Good. Justin, where's your equation, beta? Justin, you're getting it? No, it's okay. I'll help you. Can you please reply? 1 minute. See, Justin, help me. Okay, Justin is also correct. Okay. So, for your kind information, only writing the equation is not also important. You have to mention everything. How? So, you have to write it like this. Let the number of apples be x. Now, now it is written that she gave 5 apples to her sister. So if he's giving, so it means that we have to reduce it so that we can get the apple. So it's gonna be like this. She gave like X amount of apple she had. She gave 5 apples to her sister, and then she left with 3 apples only. Oh my God! Understood? So X is equals to 3 plus 5. This is the answer. X is equals to. Did you understand? Yes or no? Like this, you have to write the step. Tomorrow we'll more work on it to get how to get the equation. Understood, guys? Are you with me, guys? No.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we'll do more work on it, and then we'll meet on like tomorrow, Friday, Thursday. No, yeah, tomorrow we'll do that. Tomorrow's Friday. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata, bye, bye, Sabar here. Simeon and Abhi. We'll meet on tomorrow.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Guys, you have 4 minutes. Come back in 4 minutes. Okay, guys, come back. Quickly. We are doing this thing. Okay, now today we're gonna learn about transportation in plants and okay, we today will learn about transportation in plants. So now everyone, guys, please listen. Transportation means the transport of water or transport of blood or transport of oxygen from one place to another place. Now, this transportation is necessary. So, I will ask from Jahoan, why transportation is necessary? Jahoan, are you there? Okay, Edric, why transportation is necessary?
So, sir,
Yeah.
transportation is necessary because you have to transport the water and minerals on the soil by roots to all the plants, transport the food from the leaves to all other parts of the plant using xylem and
Okay, so Jahovan, why transportation is important in animals? Like right now, Edric gives the transportation is important in plants. But I want to ask you why animals needs the transportation thing.
They need to take food that nutrients that you obtain from the intestine to the different parts of the body.
Perfect answer. See, guys, transportation is necessary. Why? Because right now we learned that the food is got digested. Now carbohydrate is digested and if it is got absorbed by small intestine by villi. We learned now that through villi the food is absorbed and now it's ready to transport. For example, stomach. Stomach is there. Now if that food is needed by the brain, then how the food will go? By the help of transportation. Transportation means that absorbed minerals now get dissolved in the blood, and when that blood will go towards towards the brain will absorb that minerals, which is useful for the activity of the brain. Did you listen, Ira? No. Did you listen, Ira? So first we will learn about the transportation in animal, in plant. So can you read this, Edric, please?
transport of water. Roots of plants take up water and minerals from the soil. How does this water move up from roots to leaves for photosynthesis? You have already learned about conducting tissues of plants, xylem and phloem in lesson 20.
Xylem and phloem. So can I ask Ira, what do you mean by xylem? Do you know about something about xylem?
They're used for photosynthesis, or probably to transport the water to other plants of the
Yes, xylem is used for the transport of water. And just on phloem,
I forgot, sir.
phloem is used for the transportation of food. Okay. In xylem, if I will write about xylem, xylem is used for the transportation of water. So xylem is used for the transportation of water, but phloem is used for the transportation of food.
Sir,
Yes.
did we do chapter 21 in science?
No, it's not coming, beta.
Okay. Okay.
It's not coming. It's not coming in main exam. That's why we are not doing it.
Okay.
Okay. See, xylem of water is basically it is called as unidirectional. So anybody has any idea why it is called as unidirectional?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Edric.
Because the water and minerals flow only in one direction, only from the roots to all other parts of the plant.
Not all of the parts, only to leaves. Okay, the water is transported from the roots to the leaves. Okay, guys, please pay attention. What I'm trying to say that xylem conducts water for the transportation, and water is only unidirectional. Unidirectional means from the roots to the leaves. Okay, understood. But phloem is multi-directional. So I will ask from the gestion why it is multi-directional. Uh, I can't hear. Say it again, please.
because
Yeah,
the
please.
stool comes they, because the plant dumps from the leaves and from the roots and as we can tops of the
Yeah, the leaf doesn't have unidirectional feature, right? Because the leaf always makes food. Now that leaf has to conduct food to the roots. That leaves has to conduct food towards where? Towards the top of the plant, tip of the plant, towards the stem of the plant. So that's why it's not unidirectional, it's a multi-directional. So like he has to go in each direction. Did you understand, Edric?
Yes, sir.
Now xylem also do a passive transport. So I want to ask from anybody, what do you mean by passive transport? Yes, Jashwan, Jahuan, anybody knows about passive transport?
Is it because the plant is not pulling the water exactly?
Uh, Not fully correct, but not fully wrong also. So something you are missing. Anybody has any idea? Adrian, do you have any idea about passive transport?
No idea, sir.
See, passive transport is a transport in which transportation occurs without use of any energy. Without use of any energy. It means that when xylem conducts water, there is no use of energy. There is what? No use of energy. But phloem do an active transport. Means transportation occur with the help of energy. Like energy is needed by the plant, energy is needed so that the transportation can occur. Jahovan, did you understand? Okay. Now how it works? See, for example, if this is a leaf and this is the root, and the water is there in the root. Okay. Now, what will happen, guys? There is a technique called as transpiration. Can you repeat after me? Transpiration. So, anybody knows about transpiration, guys?
Yes, sir.
Eh, Yeah, what is transpiration, beta?
Transpiration means the plant will evaporate the excess water, ma'am. Sir.
Yes. So now the because of the sun rays, the water in the leaf gets evaporated, okay, in the form of water vapor. Okay. Now because the water is evaporated, now this part have low concentration of water. LC is basically low concentration of water. LC is called as low concentration of water. And HC is called as high concentration of water. See, what I'm trying to say here, in the roots, there is high concentration of water because the roots have more water. And in the leaf, because of the transpiration, because of what? Because of the transpiration, there is low concentration of water. So, what will happen? The water will move from high concentration to the low concentration because of the transpiration. This process is also called as transpiration pull. Okay, water always travels from high concentration to low concentration. Now it happens because of transpiration. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand, Drake?
Yes, sir.
So in this, did plant use any energy? No, it happens automatically because sun rays is there, transpiration is there. Because of transpiration, the water is pulling up towards the leaf. Jahan, did you understand? So
Yes, sir.
because of this transpiration pull, the transport of water is also called as passive transport. This can be asked by you, by the examiner. That transpiration pull is the pull which occurs when the water is traveled from high concentration to low concentration because of the phenomenon called as transpiration. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
But it doesn't happen in the form of phloem because phloem needs energy to transport. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay, now quickly write it down, whatever is on the screen, because this is very important. So if you have books, please write it down in the book. If you have personal notebook, you write it down in the notebook. Please, everyone. What do you mean by stomata? Stomata are the small pores on the leaf. Okay, stomata are the small pores on the leaf which help them to respire. So through stomata only the water get lost because of the transpiration. So uh, they will ask you one question. Explain how the transpiration pull occurs.
Sir,
Yes.
what is film transport? Like XLM transports water,
Yeah.
then film transports what?
Phloem transports food.
Food. Okay.
Yes, written, no? Devon, are you writing better? No. Right?
I'm writing, sir.
Perfect. If you didn't understand, please ask me, guys. Edit didn't understand. Edit, please ask me why.
I understood, sir.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Shall I raise this? Done, everyone? Raise it. Done. Shall I raise this, guys?
Yes, please.
Aira, this one. Shall I raise this better?
Yes, please.
Okay. So now, Aira, can you read this, please? From here.
Tracheids and vessels, which are non-living cells of xylem, transport water picked by root hairs. Figure 22.4, from soil to the leaves. The upward movement of water and minerals from soil, termed ascent of sap, is against gravity and is due to transpiration pull. Transpiration is the process in which a lot of water evaporates as water vapor from stomata. This evaporation creates a vacuum and pulls up water through the xylem. This is transpiration pull.
The transpiration pull we understand. Now the transport of water is called as transportation. Remember this thing, guys. Repeat after me. The
Trans-
the transport of water is called transportation, but transport of food material is called as translocation. So why translocation? Because it has to transport on the location. It can be up, it can be down, it can be right, it can be left. That's why it is called as translocation. On the location, he has to transport. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So can you read this, Edric, please? Sugar.
Sugars and other food molecules synthesized in the leaves are transported to other parts of the plant through phloem. Seed tubes are living cells of the phloem which transport food, figure 22.5. Transport of food material from leaves to other parts of the plant is called translocation. This food may be then stored in fruit, stem, or roots.
Yeah. So the transport is giving cells of phloem, and because of the transportation, they need energy to translocate the food. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So transportation in human beings will do tomorrow, and we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. It was right there. Sayonara.
Bye,
Bye,
Jai
sir.
Ganesh.
sir.
Bye, sir.